Hello everyone, welcome back to Selective Stock Picks for the shortened trading week of February 21st. As a reminder, investing in stocks carries risk, so only use that extra cash that you can bear to lose or not have access to in case you have to wait for that next catalyst that'll give you that bump in order for you to exit profitably. This week, we look at three great stocks with huge upside based on nice historical data and lots of positive catalysts, including significant insider buying and big investments from institutional players. If you saw last week's video, we discussed Aurinia Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol AUPH. If you bought in before noon on Monday at $3.35, then sold at the high later that week for $3.95, you would have walked away with a nice 60-cent gain. But the real returns will come in within the next 2 weeks when 48-week data is finally released. Most charts are pointing towards a mid-$4 price point and $5 or above. This week's catalyst was the CEO speaking at the annual Global Healthcare Conference, where he made references to voclosporin being one of the most powerful drugs he's ever worked with that will have multiple uses outside of that other than just for lupus. In addition, partnerships with Japanese investors were referenced along with continued positive data from Japan and elsewhere. A lot of buyout rumors are being floated around. While this is not unusual for the pharmaceutical industry, this Canadian firm meets the textbook criteria for being a great buyout candidate. Take a look also at the daily volume, another great factor to consider when looking at stocks on the rise. Continued higher lows and higher highs makes AUPH a great buy early on Tuesday. Next, we look at Bellerophon Therapeutics, ticker symbol BLPH. This New Jersey bio company just received FDA acceptance for modifications to its Phase 3 study for its InnoPulse program, part of the treatment processes for those who have chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. As a result of these changes, the FDA agreed to at least 2 years will be shaved off approval times compared to what would have been possible under the original Phase 3 program. This stock has been inching up nicely since the first of the year, and take a look at the incredible volume spikes over the last few weeks. There appears to be some resistance at the mid-230s through 250, but keep an eye on it, and if it breaks this level of resistance, there should be no problem reaching the mid to low $3 range. Finally, take a look at LightPath Technologies, ticker symbol LPTH. Since the first of the year, it's moved up pretty steadily with some consolidation after mid-January and closed last Friday at $2.21 a share. There was also some nice after-hours action, adding nearly 5%. This company is based in Orlando, Florida, and has 181 full-time employees. It designs, develops, and manufactures optical components and assemblies. There's a lot of positive catalysts here, including a 39% increase in recent revenues, no competition to speak of as of now, and a recent acquisition which should add to the bottom line. Earnings will be reported pre-market on February 22nd, and there's also talk about potential international partnerships. Good things are on the horizon for LPTH, so be sure to watch this over the next 30 days. Most experts believe this is a good long-term hold even if there is no buyout. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe so we can keep you up to date. Your comments are encouraged.